Have you ever wanted to rent your first apartment, get a credit card, or apply for a loan to start a business, and been told you don't qualify? It's not because you're a bad person, it's because you're missing something crucial, a credit history. And this is where it all begins. Imagine Luis, an 18-year-old who just graduated from high school. He has dreams, ideas, and the desire to start his adult life. He wants to open his own smoothie business, buy a laptop, and move into his own place. But there's a problema: he has no money, and nobody wants to lend him any. Why not? Because he has no credit history. There's no record showing how he manages money, whether he pays on time or just disappears with what he borrows. From the perspective of a bank or lender, it's like he doesn't exist. And in the financial system, someone without a history is a risk. So, he takes his first step into the financial world, applying for a small line of credit. It's not a lot, maybe a credit card with a $300 limit or a $500 loan. He applies nervously, but with hope, ready to start building his financial future. And from that moment, his credit history begins. Who tracks it? A credit reporting agency, often known as the credit bureau. This agency doesn't lend money or approve loans, it just keeps records: how much someone borrows, whether they pay on time, if they fall behind, or if they default completely. It also tracks whether someone uses credit responsibly or racks up debt beyond their means. It doesn't matter if it's a big or small amount, it all gets recorded. The credit bureau is like your personal financial report card. It doesn't judge, it just records the facts. Who feeds this report? The companies that give out credit: banks, department stores, phone carriers, auto financing companies, even online platforms offering installment payments. Every month, these companies report whether a customer paid, was late, or ignored their bills. Even a small $30 cell phone bill can hurt your credit if you don't pay it on time. So what's the point of all this? Your credit history tells lenders whether you're trustworthy or risky. When you apply for a loan, credit card, or car financing, the bank checks your report. If it shows on-time payments and responsible behavior, you're more likely to get approved, with better terms and lower interest rates. But if it shows late payments, unpaid accounts, or too much debt, you'll likely be denied, or only approved with very unfavorable conditions. Many opportunities start to disappear. Is being in the credit bureau bad? Not at all. It simply means you're part of the financial system. In fact, having a credit report with positive data is a good thing. What matters is not whether you're in the bureau, but how your credit looks. Your credit report isn't a blacklist. It's more like a financial mirror. If you manage things well, it reflects trust. If you don't, it reflects risk. What about your credit score? That's a number that summarizes your credit behavior. The higher it is, the better your reputation with lenders. The lower it is, the harder it is to get credit. In the US, this score, known as your credit score, usually ranges from 300 to 850. A high score can open doors. A low one can shut them. How can you improve your credit score? Here are a few key actions. Always pay on time. Even if it's just the minimum payment, never be late. Don't max out your credit. If you have a $1,000 limit, try to use less than 30%. Don't open too many new accounts at once, it can look like you're desperate for credit. Avoid borrowing for things you don't really need. Check your credit report at least once a year. Mistakes happen, and you can fix them. Every on-time payment helps. Every mistake hurts. Every decision matters, even when no one's watching. What if your credit history is already damaged? You can recover, but it takes time. Pay off what you owe, avoid new late payments, and stay consistent for 12 to 24 months. It's like rebuilding trust. It doesn't happen overnight, but with discipline, it's possible. Remember, your credit history is like your financial reputation. Take care of it, and it opens opportunities. Neglect it, and doors will close. The credit bureau isn't your enemy, it's just a tool that records your financial decisions. Use it to your advantage and it can help you get access to loans, credit cards, financing, even better job offers or rental agreements, because many companies check your credit before doing business with you. Your credit history is your financial reputation. Taking care of it is just as important as taking care of your health or your name. Because in today's financial world, those who pay well move forward. And those who run from their debts get left behind. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments which part was most useful. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. See you in the next video.